JEE aspirants, get the best of both JEE Main and Advanced with this ultimate MTG 48 plus 24 years JEE Chapterwise-Topicwise solutions, updated and revised. Unlock all past JEE papers 1978 to 2025 JEE Advanced and 2002 to 2025 JEE Main. Meticulously arranged, class-wise, chapter-wise, topic-wise, level-wise according to NCERT. All question types are covered such as fill in the blanks, MCQs, subjective problems, matching types, assertion and reason, integer numerical value type, comprehension-based questions. Get detailed solutions of all questions so you know how to solve every question. Plus, a free digital Smartbook to study anytime, anywhere. Start your preparation to success right now. MTG, success made simple. Grab yours now and turn your JEE dreams into reality.